How to find deleted friends on Snapchat. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Snapchat, log into your account, then click on your profile located on top left. Then click on Settings located on top right corner of your screen. In here, scroll all the way down till you find My Data. You'll find My Data above Log Out. Click on My Data, and then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Make sure your file is exported in HTML file. After that, only make sure there's tick mark in user information and chat history. Untick all of the rest option. Then click on Next. You can adjust specific date range. Confirm your email. Then click on Submit. After that, this data will be available on your email. Simply click on your email and then you'll find this data. Simply download it and you'll be able to find your deleted friends. This is how to find deleted friends on Snapchat. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.